Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth week of this course. By the end of this week you will have created a first draft of an annotated bibliography where you will identify relevant scholarly articles that pertain to your area of interest or relate to potential methods for analyzing your potential research problem. Last week's focus was on technical writing. This type of writing is important for academic writing. For your assignments last week, you practiced your technical writing ability through a journal article and an application assignment. The two major tasks for this week include a discussion board assignment and milestone. To complete, the discussion will focus on data sources. Please be sure to share resources that you believe will be helpful for both your research and your resources that could be potentially helpful to your peers. The milestone due this week relates to your background research in your field of study, as well as research related to your potential methods. And from these data sources, from these scholarly articles, you will create an annotated bibliography. And an annotated bibliography explores the credentialing of the authors, it explores the relevance to your potential research problem, and it also is a way to justify your methods for your research. So when you're creating a methodological approach to answer a research question, you look at what other people have done and what other people that have had their methods peer reviewed and analyzed and approved, and see if there is some application towards your methods. So be sure to review similar research, and also you're identifying the niche that your research falls within. So by completing an annotated bibliography, you're saying that yes, similar research has been done, but this is where my research fills in a gap that this research or this collective body of research did not explore. So be sure to carefully review the instructions. I do provide some instructions on how to create an annotated bibliography. Also, later this week, I will be posting videos about a reference manager called Zotero. I created several training videos on how to use this reference management system. It is life-changing. For my dissertation, it probably saved me about 3 months worth of work for collecting resources, collecting data sources, filing them, and putting them in correct formats for a dissertation for potential journal articles. So I highly recommend getting the reference management system, and Zotero is free and can be used on your computer, and it can be used online. So if you save your data sources, as long as you can log into Zotero, you can use that for your research. So I highly recommend you explore this resource and review the training videos that I post. If you have any questions about this week's work, please don't hesitate to reach out. The quickest way to get a response is by email, but if you do feel that it is a beneficial question for the group at large, please post it in the discussion questions. I look forward to working with you this week.